Hi, my name is Tej, and I want to say that we are making the nuclear bombs and every missiles or sending rockets into the galaxy. It's a great thing. We are adapting, it's good, but we are making the nuclear bombs to destroy ourselves. I was asking the government, is it the right thing? Is we can kill or anti-terrestrial like aliens or any mess, spaceships come to Earth to destroy or anything. So we can. I was thinking if the nuclear works, nuclear bombs can kill them or not. Because if we are cannot kill the anti-terrestrial, why are we making the bombs? To kill ourselves? For what? For lithium, aluminium, or metals, or gold, or silver, or the currency. We are all equal in every country or whichever we are from. We are equal and we should save our culture. By we are going into space by suddenly or anything, we have done any mistakes. If they got any angry issues and they suddenly attack from the anti-terrestrial from the universe. If aliens comes, for example, if alien comes and with they are having so much of high technical weapons that can like in a second it can destroy the earth into two pieces, so we can save from ourselves from them or not. I think we are making nuclear bombs, it is a great thing, so we can destroy our world, but it is waste to destroy ourselves by giving anti-terrorists like now recently Afghanistan and some like Muslim area, like they are Muslim, but we cannot say them like a Muslim or anything now because what they are themselves thinks and knowledge of their. I doesn't understand what they are not thinking of themselves by testing nucleus on ourselves or destroying other countries to protect whom you want to protect from. So I think we should make nucleus to protect the Mother Earth from anti-terrestrials because we are spending sending space to the peoples and rockets, nucleus and everything. If by chance we did any mistake and it comes with a heavy, big problem, so we should save ourselves by killing or protecting ourselves for the defense. If we can do that thing, is the best thing, or it is a waste. We are killing ourselves, Mother Earth, by like now we are using in bombs uranium nucleus and everything we are creating, it is harming the Mother Earth by digging the sources or natural sources. We are destroying forests for our, like recently in Amazon, just he wants to light a fire grenade for the light to show the person I'm here, but he destroyed the Mother Earth and the forest. So it is the best thing to if we can protect ourselves from anyone, is that by killing ourselves, like in the Second World War, they used nucleus to destroy other country by getting what, but they are living right now. There is nothing. It's a waste of shit also, but I think you should protect from anti-terrestrial, or it's waste of time making nuclear bombs to kill ourselves. Why you want to kill? Because like in 100, one people makes any bad decision. In 100 ratio, one person for the next 99% of people are suffering. So I think we are making nuclear bombs. It is good, but where we are protecting ourselves or destroying ourselves. So I request to every country leaders. So to make a nucleus to protect from anti-terrestrial or anything, but otherwise you are now having the authority to kill anyone because of World War One and Two is because of this American, Russian, or ever USSR was going on. It destroyed almost my Mother Earth. So by making nuclear bomb on sending Indian Muslims or Muslims, Hindus, Christians fighting for what? Way before there was a witch hunt, so Christians were made, and some acknowledge the knowledge or spirituality. They make themselves as a Muslim, Muhammad or or Buddha, acknowledge the spirituality and saying themselves is a god. But I feel it is better. Like anyone can become a god. It doesn't matter by destroying the culture and knowledge. It doesn't matter because you are not staying. You are staying for 100 years, maybe maximum two. The age of a person is 77 in 2021. It is 69 age or 70 is the highest age you can live. So it's weight of a shit to killing peoples and making nuclear bombs to kill ourselves. Thank you. My name is Tej. I express myself or the knowledge I think was good or not. Jai Shri Ram, Jai Krishna, Jai Kali, Om Namah Shivaya. Thank you.